Before we start the video, I want to say this. Thank you to everyone who decided to be a member of this channel. I appreciate it a lot and I will reinvest every single penny into making better content. Also, if you're a member, you should join our Discord server and connect your YouTube account to Discord. You don't have to make it public or anything, but that allows you to automatically get the specific member roles on the Discord server. Thank you once again, and let's get into the video. People say there are two kinds of learning: experience, which is gained from your own mistakes, and wisdom, which is learned from mistakes of others. That is exactly why today we will be going over some of the common mistakes that I have made myself or I have heard other people make. The first most widespread mistake is going all in with any investments. That is a lesson that most people have to learn the hard way. I've done that at least twice and I'm not gonna do it again. Even when you think there is no way your investment of choice can fail, you can still be wrong. Start splitting your portfolio and buy items that are not related, meaning that if one goes down, the others will pull through. That's how investing works in real life. People diversify through many different stocks they believe in, and also index funds, which provide a slow but secure growth to their portfolio. If you are curious what safe options there are in CSGO, you should watch this video of mine where I went over what I consider the 5 safest investments. Another mistake I have made a lot of times, and I know plenty of you guys did as well. That one is leaving buy orders for a long time without continuously checking on them. This leads to you buying items that were once profitable. Now you're either stuck with a new item or you sell it at a loss. I actually got the idea to talk about this mistake by falling for it once again just a few minutes ago. I bought the Star Trek P250 cartel in minimal wear. Lucky enough, I can sell it to break even, but I will surely not be able to score a profit on it. I put the buy order for this item on one of my streams. By the way, yeah, I do stream every single Tuesday and Saturday here on YouTube at about 7 PM GMT+2. Nice plug there. I recently got my new laptop, so now I will be able to stream much more comfortably and it will be more pleasant for you guys to watch as well. Next very popular mistake is putting the fate of your investment into the hands of Valve. In short, that means buying into an investment that can be extremely profitable, but that will be true only if some event happens or it doesn't happen. For example, many invested thousands of dollars into the RMR capsules before the discount. At that time, this was looking like a very profitable opportunity, but that would only happen if there was no discount. It doesn't matter if you think or anybody else thinks that the discount won't come. The possibility is always there. Knowing of this possibility in advance, you shouldn't invest in this situation. Of course, it is easy to analyze things in hindsight, but that was my exact logic back when the RMRs were full price, and that's why I didn't invest into them. An older example would be the shattered web case from 2 operations ago. During the operation, nobody knew whether after the end of the operation the case will stay as a prime drop or it will be discontinued. Many were speculating about it. I myself bought 200 cases back then, even though I knew this investment could go to hell if the case gets put into the prime pool. I got lucky back then, the case was actually discontinued, but then something unforeseen happened. The fracture case was introduced, and with that it finished off the shattered web case investment. I sold them for the exact same price I bought them for just 9 months later. Currently there are some investments that I would attribute to this category. On that list I would first of all put the Ancient collection because of the fact that there will be Ancient souvenir drops, but it is not certain when that will happen. Also, I would attribute the Control collection to this category, simply because it was unusually popular, so that brings a higher possibility that we will see it come back during the next operation. Of course, that is very unlikely, but the possibility exists, and for me that is just enough. Similarly, we could see the recoil stickers and the recoil gravity come back at the next operation. Next is kind of a different topic, but can be considered as an investing mistake as well. I recently watched this video from Time is But a Window about a secret VAC update that banned cheaters' accounts, but not just their secondary burner accounts, their main accounts also. That person had their main account on a different phone number and also on a different physical phone. According to him, the only link that was connecting his Steam accounts was a so-called trust factor leak, but I'm not really sure what that means. I'm thinking it has something to do with using accounts on the same computer regularly. The lesson here is do not cheat, and if you do, do not complain about losing your investments. There is one mistake bigger than all the other combined. This mistake brings Valve a couple of $1 million every single day. And if you haven't already guessed it, let me draw the curtain, because I'm talking about opening cases. That is the biggest scam you and I have ever fallen for. You might think that it won't matter if you spend $2 here, $2 there, but in the end, when you add up every single case that you have opened, you'll see how much you have wasted. Very often people invest because a YouTuber has made a video about a certain item. But this can only be profitable if you buy the item in the first few minutes after a video like that is released. Everyone who buys it later than that is going to lose money. So do not invest just because someone said so. Gather arguments for and against investing into that particular item. Only then you can make an educated decision of your own. The last mistake would be buying into the market without using a third-party website. If you don't know why that is so important, basically you get about 20 to 30% more value for your money. When you're going to do that, you should research what are the best options. I use Skinport to buy into the market, and I am also sponsored by them. But that is pretty much all I could think of. I'm sure you guys know of other mistakes people do when investing, so drop them down in the comments, smash that like button, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.